Hey, welcome back. I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer from South Africa. This is my YouTube channel where I teach coding and graphic design. This is a series where we'll be creating an interface for a music player, some sort of application, and then we're going to take it to JavaScript, CSS, and HTML so that we can code it and it be functional. So in the previous video, we've downloaded these folders here. So now we are going to go to those folders. Font awesome for web, and then what we're going to do, we're going to look for this folder svgs, and then we are just going to search here .svg so that we can see all the icons. So here we are just going to search for the icons that we will be using in the application, all the icons that are relevant to the application, to the music application, and then we will continue from there. So what we are going to do, we will choose the icons as we scroll down. For instance, we can take this and use it as some sort of a playlist icon in this music app. We can use this as a playlist icon. If we can see a better icon, then we will choose it. Then I don't want us to like go up and down trying to look for fonts. Okay, so as I've told you before in the previous video, that if you want to see these icons just like this, because on my computer I was not able to view the icons like this as like the thumbnails. So in the description of this video I will put this link. This is the link. This is the link. If you are able to copy it from here, you can copy it. This is the link so that you can be able to view this icon like this. So let's just quickly continue and see which other icon we can use here for this app. But basically we are looking for icons like these, music icons like backward and play, pause, and that will be about it. So I think this one is fine. Let's drag this one and this one, copy it to Figma. Okay, this will be our play, pause, and then this one we can flip it so that it can be like forward and backward or something like that. I think we are almost done now. The only icon that I'm looking for is pause. I think it's just these, it's just like two lines, an icon with just two lines. Let me just scroll down again. If we happen to see something that we think we might use, then obviously we will take it. Something like repeat, or okay, let me see, is this play or pause? I think this is, let me see, backward step. Oh, okay, this is backward step. Okay, fine. What we will do, we will use these icons as we wish. Even though this one is a backward step, if we feel like we are going to make it pause, then we will just make it pause. I'm avoiding a situation where we are looking up and down for fonts and we are taking much time. And remember, this course is not like it's a user interface course. It's more like we are passing by in this phase. I want you to get an idea of how do you start an application from the beginning to the end. So this one will act as our play button, and then let's just quickly see if what else we can get. Something like, oh, okay, we've got also pause here. I don't think we need stop. We've also another cool play here. So let me just choose all of them. Then we will make decision as we go. We will see if we might want to use the solid ones or other ones. Okay, let me drop them here. Okay, we are getting there. We are finding the icons that we are looking for. Okay, code. So I'm looking for an icon like this that might look like repeat when you want to repeat a song, and I think that will be it. Then we can continue to do the awesome stuff. Okay, Okay, let me just, okay, let's see, forward, backward, forward step. No, I don't want that. Let's see, or let me try to search rather. Okay, let me try to search for it, and also we will need a volume icon for volume, for turning the volume up and down. So maybe we might be patient and check here. But if we find something else obviously that looks like it, we will use it. Here is repeat. Okay, here is repeat. I don't think we want the share button. Let's just save repeat. We are almost done. Okay, we've got repeat. Okay, now we want okay, rotate. This one is rotate. Okay, what else do we want? Let's check here. Okay, another icon that we want, it's the speaker for the volume, and that will be it. Okay, if we don't see it here, we can just search for it. Okay, let's just search for it here. SP. Okay, speaker is there, but okay, besides speaker, what else can we search? Let me say sound. There is a sound cloud. Let me say volume. Okay, let's use font awesome for some clues. Let's use font awesome for some clues. Let's see. Let's just quickly go to font awesome icons and search for speaker. Let's wait and see. Not really, or it's volume. So we do have our volume slash, yeah, so we want something like this. So let's just quickly go to our folder and search for volume here. Yeah, I think we have something like that. Then we are done. We are going to take this one and this one. Okay, drag and drop it. Where? Okay, I'm in the wrong place. Let me just put it here. Go back to Figma. Okay, drag this to here. Okay guys, that's about it for this tutorial. We've got all the icons that we are looking for, and then I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. If you feel like this video is adding value to your overall understanding of user interface design, please do me a favor. You can just hit the subscribe button. I've got also other cool playlists here, like graphic design, HTML, CSS, and PHP. Otherwise, for me, see you on the next